Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in the last session we have seen some examples regarding how to use Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. And in this session we are going to see some more examples regarding how to use Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares more precisely. So guys, why to wait? Let us start our session with an example. So guys, the example that I am going to take in this session is 23 square. So whenever we are finding the squares of any given numbers, we follow the following 4 steps. The first step that we are going to do here is we are going to find the nearest base to the given number, that is 23. And here the nearest base to 23 is 30. And the next step what we have to do here is we have to find how much the number, that is 23, is less than 30. So here the number 23 is 7 less than the base, that is 30. So therefore we have to subtract this 7 from the 23. So by subtracting 23 minus 7 you will get 16. And now multiply the difference what we have got, that is 16, with the base 3 by ignoring the value 0. So by multiplying the number 16 with the number 3 we will get 48. And we have to keep this 48 as our left part of the answer. Moving further to step number 3. Now what we have to do here is we have to square the deficiency what we have got. Here the deficiency what we have got is 7, and by squaring the 7 we will get 49, and we have to take this 49 as right part of the answer. Now moving further to step number 4, what we have to do here is we have to observe the left part of the answer as well as the right part of the answer, and of course the base. Here in the base we are having only 1 0, but in the right part of the answer what we have got is 49, and it is having 2 digits. So when the base is having only 1 0, the right part of the answer should also have only 1 digit, but here we are having 2 digits. So therefore what we have to do here is we have to take the tens place of the right part of the answer, that is 4, and we have to add this to the number 48, that is to the left part of the answer. By adding this 4 to the left part of the answer we will get 48 plus 4 is equals to 52, and by clubbing both these two results, that is 52 and the leftover digit, that is 9, we will get 529, which is the final answer. And therefore we can say that 23 square is equals to 529. So guys, this is the way how we can use Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares of given number. So guys, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. Right guys, now let us have a look of one more example regarding the same Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. The example number 4 that I am going to take in this session is 75 square. So in order to find the square of 75 by using Nikhilam Sutra, we use the same following 4 steps. Step number 1, what we have to do here is we have to find the nearest base to the number 75, and the nearest base is 80. After that, moving further to step number 2, we have to find how much this number 75 is less than the base. So if you see here, the number 75 is 5 less than the base 80. So therefore we have to decrease the 75 by 5. So 75 minus 5 you will get 70 as the answer. And now we have to multiply the number 70 with the number 8. Why? Because the base what we have got is 80, and by ignoring the number 0 we have to multiply the number 70 with the number 8. So therefore by multiplying 70 into 8 you will get 560, and we have to keep this 560 as our left part of the answer. Moving further to step number 3, what we have to do here is we have to square the deficiency what we have got. So here we have got 5 as our deficiency, so therefore we have to square the number 5. By squaring the number 5 you will get 25 as the answer, and we have to take this as right part of our answer. Moving further to step number 4. Now what we are going to do here is we are going to observe the left part of the answer, the right part of the answer, as well as The base what we have got, that is 80. So as I have said in the previous example, if you observe here, the number of zeros that are in the base should be equal to the number of digits what we have got in the right part of the answer. But here in the base 80 we are having only one zero, whereas in the right part of the answer we are having two digits, that is 25. So therefore now what I am going to do here is I am going to take the tens place of the right part of the answer, that is 2, and I am going to add these 2 to the left part of the answer what I have got, that is 560. So by adding 560 with the 2, I am going to get 562 as the answer. And now by clubbing 562 and the leftover digit, that is 5, I am going to get the final answer, that is 5625. And therefore we can say that 75 square is equals to 5625. So guys, I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. And this is the very easiest way to find the squares for the given number by using this very easy and simple Nikhilam Sutra. So guys, in the next session we are going to have some more examples regarding the same Nikhilam Sutra in finding the squares. For watching this video, thank you. Have a nice day.